Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make Chinese New Year recipe lucky bag. Hope you like it. The ingredients for this recipe, please refer to my yesterday video tutorial. The skin will be using Vietnam rice paper. The lucky bag, as one of China's traditional mascots, has the beautiful meaning of good luck and good fortune. Make this good fortune recipe for this coming Chinese New Year. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: Vietnam rice paper, spring onion. Ingredients asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Please refer to yesterday's recipe. Cut spring onion into section. Blanch or steam onion to soften the texture so it's not easy to break. Remove onion from steamer, drain and set aside. Prepare a plate with clean water to soak Vietnam paper. Soak a few times like how I demonstrated. Place Vietnam rice paper on a smaller bowl. Place ingredients on rice paper. When the Vietnamese rice paper starts to soften, it will sink into the bowl. At this time, carefully gather the rice paper tightly. Remove from small bowl and place at flat surface, then tighten it with onion. First lucky bag is complete. Let me show you from another angle. Rice paper still hardens at this stage. Just put the right amount of meat filling. Too much will cause it to overflow. When it starts to soften, you can fold it in slowly, otherwise it will be too soft and sticky. It's done. Repeat the same steps for remaining lucky bag. lucky bags are all done. It's so easy and looks so good, right? Optional to garnish with cucumber or cherry tomatoes while serving. By the way, if you are looking for delicious CNY recipes, welcome to check out my CNY recipes playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. The foo in the lucky bag represents blessing and good fortune, and dai is a homophone for dai, which means that blessings will be passed down from generation to generation. In addition, the lucky bag also symbolizes unity and agreement, and is especially suitable for couples or lovers to wear, implying a harmonious relationship between the two and a long-lasting relationship. In Japan, lucky bags are seen as a symbol of attracting wealth and keeping wealth, and also symbolize health, peace, and good luck. In Chinese tradition, lucky bags not only represent the inheritance of blessings and wealth, but also symbolize peace and happiness. The meaning and symbolism of eggplants in the ingredients is because eggplants are long and thin, so people use homophonic words to symbolize longevity. Eggplants also have another meaning, which is to wish a person gets promotion to a higher position. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.